How to change the link sticker text in your Instagram story. If you're looking to make your Instagram stories more engaging, changing the text of your link sticker is a great way to customize your stories. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your link sticker text and give you some cool ideas for using it. So let's get started. First things first, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now swipe right from your feed to create a new story. You can either take a new photo or video or upload an existing one from your gallery. Now tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen and simply choose on the link sticker. Here you can add a link to an external website, blog, or even another Instagram profile. Just do that. For this tutorial, I'm going to be just typing in instagram.com. Now what you can need to do is, once you add the link, you will see an option that says customize sticker text. Simply tap on it. From here you can choose various options to put. For example, let's say tap here and let's do it like this. Simply click on done. And as you can see here, our text has been changed. You can also tap on it to see various layout options like this. And that's it. That's how you can simply put it. You can also add various stickers over here, and you can simply add it anywhere you want. You can also pinch to resize the sticker and the URL both. And that's it. That's how you can simply change the text on your Instagram link stickers and how to use them creatively to drive more